Using a Verizon phone on T-Mobile is generally possible, especially with newer phones. Recent FCC regulations have pushed for automatic unlocking after a 60-day activation period with Verizon, simplifying the process. The key steps are unlocking the phone, configuring the APN settings for T-Mobile, and ensuring the phone is compatible with T-Mobile's network bands. Let's break down exactly how to do this. First, ensure your Verizon phone is unlocked. Contact Verizon or check your account online to request an unlock. Newer phones often unlock automatically after 60 days. Next, configure your APN settings for T-Mobile. For Android, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names, and add a new APN with fast.tmobile.com. For iPhones, this often auto-configures with a carrier update, but you can manually adjust if needed under cellular data options. Finally, check compatibility using T-Mobile's coverage checker or websites like phonework.net to ensure your phone supports T-Mobile's LTE and 5G bands like B12, B2, B66, N71, N41. Focus on eSIM-enabled devices for simple carrier switches.